Yo, what's good, guys? Brazen back with another video, and today I have something special for y'all. I'm playing my own team, but I made all the settings super hard. I made my team as crappy as possible, the worst striker with the possibly worst midfielders and the possibly worst defenders. I know it doesn't look that, or not possibly worst midfield and defenders, but like low rated. Okay, very low rated. I mean, look at this. I'm booty. But let's see. I mean, good God, look at this team. I am playing against the ultimate actual team, like my actual very strong team, but it is what it is. You know, so yeah, see, as you guys can see, I made it as hard as possible for me. Usually I have on joystick, I have the button to large, so I'm misclicking and everything, and oh my God, this is not starting out good. Okay, yeah, alright. If I don't, you have got to be kidding me. If I don't score at least, if I don't win this match, I will sell my best striker. Simple. Oh my God. Alright, this is so much harder than I actually thought. Come on, go to the left. How can I move? I can't move. Oh my God. It's so hard. Oh my God. Alright, okay. I'm gonna stop crying. Come on. Wambasega. Shoot that. 2-0 in 23 seconds. That's 2 goals in 20. Oh, God damn. 2 goals in 10 seconds. That's tough. Oh my God. It's the players won't listen to what I'm telling them to do. You know? Oh my God. You gotta be kidding with me right now. Oh Lord. I know some of you might think this is like a good team, but piss off, okay? Oh my God. You have got to be kidding with me. Play through the middle. Allison? What the frick? Oh my God. Oh, okay. I don't think it was a good idea to play against like the strongest actual team, which is my team, you know? Oh no. Oh no. It's so hard to move. And it's super frustrating. Guys, I might have to throw in the towel. You know what I'm saying? Look! I can't lose. Oh, there's no way in hell I'm throwing in the towel. Ooh, that. I ain't throwing in the towel for shit. We gonna make a comeback. Simple. Don't make me mad, boy. No one's getting healed too. Hee. Hee. Yes, PK. Play that. Yes. Remember, go. Oh my God. Okay, if I get it to Allison's head, oh, I forgot about this. I don't know what I'm talking to. Oh, $2. This is almost full there. Crazy. Okay, yeah. got booty slapped. Come on. Can I get one goal, bro? Please. Oh. Oh. Yes. Bro. Game is doo-doo. Yes. Flip that over. Sandro. Yes. Oh my god. Elson. Oh my god. Elson almost pulled a team. You know. He almost did a team. Oh. Scorpions outside. Nice. Good job. They score every time. Manny's keeper. Come on. Yes, Allison, let's go. Come on, Allison, nice speed. Obviously, this did not turn out how I wanted it to turn out. This is so tough, man. I just want. Oh. Can I just count this as a win? Because technically, I would have easily won that. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Oh. Wait, where does this drop me to? Oh. No. I have to sell him. I have to sell Ronaldo. But there ain't no way in hell I'm selling him. Okay, I'll sell 2 blacks. Whoa, that's wrong. I'll sell 2 black cards for an exchange. Oh my god, I really don't want to do that. Oh, god damn. I just want to fight somebody. You know? Who do I sell? You know what, Kante, my guy? Say goodbye. You're done. Never entering the team. Maria, say goodbye. You're never entering the team again, my baby. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. That was so freaking painful. Ain't ever doing that shit again. Fuck me, boy. Stop playing with me. Never doing that shit again. Leave a like. Subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.